Hi, welcome back to Circuits with Angel. Today, we will try to learn how to decode resistors, and then in another video, how to use them and how they work. We will also, in this video, make a circuit to measure resistance. Resistors like the one I have here come with a color band. The color band represents different values in different orders, as you can see represented in this chart. It's not hard to learn, it just requires some practice to know how to read it. Your more common values you will learn to identify by just looking at the resistor pattern. So let's try reading a few of our most commonly used resistors using the color chart. For this resistor, we have yellow 4, purple 7, and black 0, with a black glass band, which multiplies this number by 1. 470 times 1 is 470. This is a 470 ohm resistor. And for this resistor, brown 1, black 0, and black 0. So the last band is brown. So multiply 100 times 10 is 1000 ohms. And then we have this resistor. Brown 1, black 0, and the last band is black. So multiply 100 times 1 is 100 ohms. So that's how you use this chart. Now, honestly, nobody really uses this chart that much. Instead, to find the values, they measure the resistor with a multimeter, because multimeters are much easier to use. I will build a circuit with an unknown resistor and show you how to measure resistors really quickly. This circuit is really useful when you want to finish projects and clean up your table. Alright, so first we're going to plug in our multimeter leads. And then we're going to put in the resistor in the breadboard. After we put the resistor in the breadboard, we'll put in our jumper wires. And we can take our multimeter leads and we will touch them together with the jumper wires leads. And we got to turn on our multimeter to the ohm setting, and we're going to start at the lowest point. And it shows up as 1, so we need to turn it up like one more step. Still nothing, so we have to turn it up another step. Still nothing. And then, yeah, we just keep doing that. Oh, here's a value. And this is a 180k ohm resistor. Now that we have that measured, we're going to put in another resistor and measure another one. We're going to measure it again, touch the leads. Pretty much do the same thing with this one. This one doesn't look right. Usually the value is supposed to have like 2 digits afterwards, like this. This would be 11k ohm resistor. Alright, got one more resistor to measure. And that is, let's see, we're going to set it back to the beginning. And we're going to touch the leads together again. Nothing. That doesn't look quite right, but turn up. Now that definitely wouldn't be right. And turn it back down again. And that would be a 1.2k. Now let's go over to make sure our measurements are correct. Okay, this is our 10k resistor. The bands are brown 1, black 0. Red is times 100 equals 10k ohms, which is pretty good. This is the 1.2k ohm resistor. Brown is 1, red is 2, black is 0, and brown is times 10, which is a 1.2 k ohm resistor. Pretty good. I appear to have put this one sideways, so we are reading this one from left to right. This one is supposed to be 180 k ohms. Yellow is 4, purple is 7, black is 0, and orange is times 1,000. 470 k ohms. Well, that's way off. This is the reason why you should always double check the resistors. Or maybe I just had it on the wrong resistance setting. That's also really likely. Alright, now here are 3 points. 1. Resistor color charts can vary if you have different types of resistors. 2. Resistors have a tolerance range. And 3. Resistance can be found quickly with a multimeter if you want to do it really quickly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.